Hello guys, welcome to another new trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade the US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Here we are using Trendline Breakout strategy in which we will catch very good moves. Watch the video till the end, you will get good trading knowledge. I apply for all the trades and get them after some time. Guys, I have $4,100 in this account which will grow with proper risk management. I have placed these lot sizes with proper calculations so that we can manage the trades easily. Let me explain to you the reason for applying the trade. The market was going up with a very strong move. Earlier the trend was downtrend, but now again the selling opportunity of downtrend has been created. Let me explain to you from downtrend channel. The market was moving upwards, taking proper support on this trend line, due to which the market has respected this trend line well. This trend line is most important. Further analysis will be based on this trend line. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. The market is following this trend line very well, due to which we will see the perfect uptrend pattern. At this point the market has given a trendline breakout, which is a high probability breakout. There is a trendline breakout here with high momentum. Our entry here is at the right time. Here we will draw strong reversal level for further confirmation of our trade, which will help us know the true market position. At this level the market has created multiple reversal points, due to which the market has created multiple support resistance points at the same level. At these points you can see that the market first took resistance and later broke this level and became support, due to which resistance becomes support pattern has been created here. But now the market has broken this level below. High percentage chance the market will go down from here, as the market has broken the trend line as well as strong level, due to which support become resistance pattern can be created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. Now we apply stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be above the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel, which is 11 pips above. If this is a fake breakout, then the market will go back to the uptrend channel, and the target point will be double the stop loss, which is 22 pips below. The market should now move to this level where the market will create a new lower low. Guys, our losses have already increased to more than $500. We know our losses here so that we can manage the trade well. Guys, our stop loss and target point are well placed. Now we will remain patient in the market and we will wait for the next move of the market. Here we have all the levels drawn well, due to which we are confident that the market will go down. But no strategy works 100% in the market. This is the rule of the market. Always follow your rules properly, only then you can become a good trader. If you like this video, then do like it. Guys are available after stop loss or target is hit.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself.
Wow guys, nice move. The market has made a very good move downwards. The market respected our setup because all our levels were well drawn. We have managed this trade well here, due to which we have generated very good profits. What we expected. Always stuck to our setup and never exited the trade before the stop loss or target was hit. Our profit target was at this level, which was not hit in the first move but was hit in the second move. Right now the market is resting near this level because there is a strong level here which is preventing the market from going down. Let me draw the level and tell you, that way you will understand better. At this level the market is repeatedly creating support and resistance points, due to which the market is repeatedly reversing to the same level. This is a strong reversal level of the market. Now the market has taken support once at this level and now it is trying to take support again. Now two conditions are being applied here, in which in the first condition the market can break this level and go down significantly. If the market cannot break this level, then it will take support from here and reverse, because a double bottom can also be created here. You will see its result at the end of the video. Let's close the trade now. Guys, our current profit is around $3,700. We had deposited $4,100 in this account, which has grown to more than $7,000. We can generate this profit only through our trading psychology, so always work on your psychology. With this you can become a profitable trader. Always convert small account into big account with small steps. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share it. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
1 hour later.